Hello everyone, asterisk. Today, you curtain hair layered haircut. How to design haircut. I will tell you in detail how to do it. I divide the hair into basic distinctions. I make a profile distinction first. Profile distinction eyebrow starting from the middle. Of the eyebrow asterisk, the straight separation we have separated towards the neck asterisk profile. Separation crown separation as the second distinction after him crown separation. One wish from ear to ear is reserved to the other ear, clear distinction asterisk we call crown. Separation here after the coronation we divide the hair into four main sections asterisk. After dividing the four mothers into sections asterisk, creating horizontal separations from the neck asterisk, now haircut, we will start our process friends asterisk I. We'll cut the foundation of the hair after creating the horizontal separation asterisk. So I will create a straight one cut asterisk I cut. The length of the hair starting from the back asterisk after cutting the first stage. This is our guide. Asterisk after creating the guide. So the basic 2 after cutting the first stage of separation. As a difference, I cut the second stage. Asterisk asterisk, I cut the first stage and second stage 1. I equate it with the hair length I cut before asterisk by following our guide. Our progress in hair EE. Cutting it helps asterisk. Here we cut the technique pivot point technique asterisk. Pivot point TECHNIQ UEEE creating our design. As you can see on the back asterisk with straight scissor stroke. That is, with the sharpening cutting technique. After creating, I pass the back to the left side EE your neck asterisk. I equate it with the hair length. I cut on the back and I get one guide. So guide means one asterisk, one piece of hair from the hair point we cut first EEE. So applying the rest of the piece, following our guide here, asterisk neat. Haircut EEE. We can do the process now. I'm going to the right side in the same way. Asterisk I. Make one distinction horizontal and right left side asterisk before me guide from the hair. Point I cut after receiving equal to the same height. This is our basic. We have hair length asterisk without shortening the hair in any way. After cutting this length E, this time we will apply a folding process here on the right in accordance with the guide. I'm equalizing hair length. I applied one completely straight cut here asterisk. So blunt, long, blunt one appearance now. Curtain the front of the hair. I will make a hair application here. Right ear down from the back of the ear. I made one right diagonal. Distinction E I cut after separating the front frame part 1, separated the right side. Now I'm separating the left side too. The left side is the same from the peak. E behind the ear by creating a sky distinction. I said give up after that. Now the right side, past the left side of my customer while cutting asterisk and the starting point. Of the cheekbones angle, like 45 degrees, we start our haircut asterisk after cutting the front part. This is our guide. In accordance with this guide, scanning angle from right to left and E with the first hair point. I cut asterisk. I cut it at 45-degree angles by equalizing. I'm scanning as you can see here. I see my guide and cut it asterisk. This is again because I cut it at one fixed point, starting from the right and scanning forward. A certain point of the front parts is short from the guide. It's stretching forward, so the other long parts are also long some way to guinea asterisk asterisk. I cut the left side. Now the left side, when I cut it, I go to the right asterisk border. Yes, stance is important E. And which of our customers, I'll cut your side in the opposite direction. E when I stand. At one angle at the angle there asterisk, I'm applying one EE cut more comfortably asterisk. Now, I see my guide as you see asterisk again. At an angle of 45 degrees asterisk, I continue my cutting process, and after cutting the first stage, I equate the other levels according to them, and asterisk I continue my cutting process here asterisk. My folding process after seeing and cutting the spar completed on the front. Now I will fold the back parts asterisk here In the front asterisk, I applied my animation curtain bangs. Design now with back cross separations. I'm separating V combing. Forward asterisk to my guide at the hair point. I cut appropriately equating with the front part asterisk. As you can see, I equate it with the hair length on the front. Asterisk, not the shortest part, but the longest part. Asterisk, I continue to process cutting by processing. I'm scanning guinea forward here from the front for scanning and cutting it forward asterisk because I cut it appropriately. For the flowers in the front asterisk, both the back is long and the back is not. Shortened folding process is applied so light folding in applying both a folding process. By processing with the sections on the front, we give movement and volume to the hair because our customer's hair structure is thin because it is volume need asterisk I. Applying a folding process because you hear asterisk I. Continue to process here to the front E because I scan the right and left. Parts of the front it's operated. I will continue. My back folding later. Hue guinea is the same on the right after cutting the left side. Keep cutting with technique asterisk I cut it to the front and scan it to the longest section in front, equalizing the longest paint asterisk. I see my guide as you see and the cutting process and I continue. You also have this kind of one layer. Haircut curtain cardamom design. If you want to do me social media addresses in the description. Part of my video available by reaching my haul from here haircut asterisk coloring and other hairdressing services. You can get service as you can see now after cutting asterisk star. Technique with slicing technique asterisk in vertical slices EEEI. Apply hair folding process as you can see upwards asterisk. At the ends of the hair forming a 90-degree angle asterisk. I'm applying a folding process. I'm scanning upwards and in the front asterisk E. I'm getting my guide. I set it as a guide on the front. I equate one hair length with that hair length asterisk this time. Just to the front we applied a folding process. Now we are folding. The back parts. The reason why we apply slices like this hair asterisk too. The hair structure of our customer's model in accordance with the head structure, so we determine one point. We determine the guide. This guide for the whole hair we distribute it with star. Technique, so you can call it orange slice hair. After applying this process asterisk, completely scans upward small one by check balancing. That is, by checking asterisk, we will finish. Our transaction I'm scanning, and here it's small here. Again asterisk in our upward scanning and folding process, usually point cutting technique or point cutting technique asterisk we apply it. As you can see, moving wavy asterisk our curtain cardamom layered haircut design after the blow dry. I'm showing you guys asterisk. I hope you are satisfied you too. If you like my video and subscribe to my channel, I would be very pleased. See you soon.